How many times have you needed a few dollars but didn't have an easy way to get them? Maybe you don't get paid for a few more days. You might be out of gas or food, or you might need a little cash right away for an emergency. Or maybe you'd just like to have a few extra dollars so you can buy the things you want. Whatever the reason, the rise of instant loan apps can help you make it to your next paycheck, avoid overdraft fees, and avoid getting stuck in a cycle of high-interest personal loans. So how do you choose the best app for a $25 instant loan? By getting your work done, or you could let us do your homework. If you choose the right app, you can save a lot of time and money, as long as you know what to look for. We put together a list of the best $25 instant loan apps because many of them have low or no fees, flexible payment options, 0% APR, the chance to borrow more money, and the ability to get your money in just a few minutes. 8 instant loan apps you can use to borrow $25 instantly. Instant loan apps help you bridge the gap between payday, so you're not left short or paying expensive overdraft fees. If there's a sudden emergency, overdue bill, or cost to cover, cash advance apps can help. With dozens of options to pick from, the best apps quickly lend you the $25 you need, offer higher borrowing limits, access to your earned funds before payday, or other features that help you manage your money. Even better, the following cash advance and instant loan apps let you access fast cash even if you have bad credit or no credit history. With many apps providing funds within a few minutes of signing up, there's never been a better time to get started. Number 1. Clio. Borrow up to $70 immediately for one of the highest initial limits of all instant loan apps. Clio offers up to $100 cash advances with no interest. Unlike many other instant loan apps that talk a big game but make you wait to unlock higher borrowing limits, new users can borrow as much as $70 immediately, with no regular income required to get started. You're wanting to switch your recurring direct deposit or submit timesheets to prove your employment income. Apps like Earnin will ask for this. You will need to be a Clio Builder subscriber, $5.99 per month, to access cash advances. But there's a loophole buried deep in Clio's terms and conditions. Number 2. Dave. New users can borrow up to $500 in seconds with zero interest. Dave offers far more instant cash than many of the apps on this list, with up to $500 that is deposited directly onto a Dave Debit MasterCard, which can happen in less than 1 minute. You can also opt to have your cash advance sent to your current debit card or bank account. This will take a little longer, but you won't need to switch your direct deposit to a new account, as many cash advance apps require. The Dave app doesn't charge interest on your cash advance, so you won't end up in a cycle of debt trying to clear high APRs. Instead, there's a super affordable $1 per month membership and the option of tipping, but don't feel obligated. Number 3. MoneyLion. Low-cost cash advances made easy for up to $250. MoneyLion offers an all-in-one mobile banking experience that you can manage online. The best of these is Instacash, which offers cash advances up to $250 without paying interest or monthly fees. You'll need a recurring direct deposit from an employer or benefits payments to qualify, but as long as you tick one of these boxes, your initial cash limit starts at $25, so it's easy to borrow the money you need. There's no credit check to apply, and with zero other mandatory fees, you can have the $25 instant loan you need, plus a lot more. MoneyLion will ask for an optional tip, the same way apps like Earnin and Dave operate, but there's no obligation to tip, and your ability to use Instacash won't be affected either way. Number 4. Chime Spot. Overdraft up to $200 with 20 available immediately. Chime offers a ton of handy features including paycheck advances. Get paid up to 2 days early if you're short $25. Fee-free banking and fee-free overdrafts thanks to our favorite feature, Chime Spot 'em. With your own Chime debit card and SpotMe successfully set up, you can spend $200 more than you have in your Chime account without paying fees on debit card purchases or ATM withdrawals. With no overdraft fees, to enjoy these features, you'll need qualifying direct deposits. But the convenience of a few $100s in fee-free overdrafts and early paychecks might just be worth it. Number 5. Earnin. Access up to $100 of your paycheck early. Earnin's cash out feature makes any day payday, so you can grab the $25 in. If you have earned wages but payday hasn't arrived, you can borrow up to $100 instantly as a new Earnin user and increase your advance up to $750 per pay period over time. Earnin promises no hidden fees, penalties, or waiting around when you need cash, making it a quick and affordable alternative to overdraft fees or high APR payday loans. And if you're frustrated by your bank's sneaky tactic of overdrafting your account, Earnin can send alerts when your balance is low and provide automatic access to up to $100 of your earnings to avoid going into the red. With inflation overheating, you probably heard that interest rates are climbing sharply. That means that for the first time in years, it's a great time to shop around for a high-interest savings account. The national average interest rate for savings accounts is currently 0.18% APY. That means that if you have $2,500